Sora 2 and Veo 3 are out. But I know what you're really looking for, a powerful and completely free AI tool to create stunning images and videos. No credit card needed. Well, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm introducing a brand new beast, Vir AI, packed with everything you need, from text-to-image to the magical image-to-video feature that turns your ideas into smooth, cinematic shots. Stick around till the end, because I'll be sharing tons of golden tips you don't want to miss, and trust me, you're going to be amazed.
Hi everyone, my name is Iman. This is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to a new tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
I'm typing Vir AI into my browser now. As you can see, the first result is usually the official website. Let's go straight there. I'll need to create an account, so at the top right corner of the page, there's a sign up button. There are two ways to register, but I'll pick the faster one, sign in with Google. If you already have an active Google account in your browser, the sign up happens automatically. I'm now logged into my profile instantly. You can access your profile from the same top right corner, where you can also log out or permanently delete your account anytime you want. At the time I'm recording this tutorial, Vir AI is one of the few completely free AI tools available. You don't need any credits to use it. You can enjoy all the features with no limits, except for the Pro and Max plans. Of course, that could change in the future, so if you're watching this later and see new pricing or policy updates, don't call me clickbait or a liar. To make sure everything's legit, let's take a quick look at their plans. I'm clicking on the pricing tab. As you can see, the free plan gives you unlimited usage with decent speed and solid quality. But the premium plans unlock much more advanced options and higher quality outputs. Alright, time to create our first image. From the top menu, I first click on Text to Image, then select AI Text to Image Generator. Now I click the Generate Image from Text button. Perfect, we're now in the image creation workspace. On the right side, there's a text box where we enter our prompt. I've already prepared one. It's for creating a joyful, beautiful girl in a realistic style. I'll paste it into the prompt box. Below the prompt box, there's an option called Quality Model, which is set to the free mode by default. The Pro and Max options are only available for premium users, and naturally, they provide higher quality results. A bit lower, there's a drop-down menu for aspect ratio. Here, you can choose the shape of your image, square, vertical, or horizontal. Since I'm creating a long YouTube video, I'll go with 16:9. Now I'll click the Generate button to send my prompt into the queue. Just a few seconds later, there it is. The image is ready. To download the watermark-free version, I'll click the download icon in the top right corner of the image and save it to my computer. Look at that. This result is amazing. The image perfectly matches my prompt, with beautiful lighting and incredible detail. I went ahead and generated a few more images. You'll see them later in this video. The output quality is impressive, and I'm totally satisfied with the text-to-image result. What do you think? Does it look natural to you? Now you've seen it for yourself. Everything works completely free, with no hidden limits. I'm right-clicking and pasting my new prompt into the box. This time, I've added the phrase 3D cartoon style to give the final image a more animated, three-dimensional look. I'm clicking Generate to send the prompt into the queue. The new image is ready. I'm downloading the file now, and honestly, this result looks amazing. It's like a character straight out of a 3D animated movie. This test shows that Vir does an outstanding job when it comes to creating cartoon or 3D style images. Now I'm pasting my next prompt into the text box. This time, I want to see how Vir's AI handles generating a famous tourist location. I click Generate, and a few seconds later, an incredible image of the Pyramids of Egypt. For me, this proves that Vir's text-to-image feature works really well for recreating iconic landmarks. I'm replacing the previous prompt with a new one. This time, I want an aerial drone view over New York City, showing the skyscrapers in the frame. Let's see if Vir AI can generate something like that. I click Generate, and the results look stunning. Let's take a closer look at them together. I'm replacing the text with a new prompt by right-clicking and pasting it in. I click Generate again to start creating the next image. It's a beautiful bird, captured as if by a professional wildlife photographer, with a telephoto lens and a perfectly blurred background. With this level of realism, Veer is clearly capable of producing high-quality, lifelike animal scenes through text-to-image. Now let's try a cyberpunk-themed prompt. I click Generate, and after a few seconds, here it is, a futuristic car with neon lights and a breathtaking sci-fi atmosphere. The result is incredible. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Next up, it's time for image to video. This is where we take the still images we've generated and bring them to life. From the top menu, I'm selecting image to video, then clicking on Generate Video from Image. In this step, I'll upload one of the images I created earlier with text to image, or you can even upload one of your own photos from your gallery. After clicking the small light bulb icon in the basic image prompt section, Veer automatically analyzes the image and fills in the visual details. You can also add your own idea for how you want the animation to move. I've decided to type a smooth cinematic circular camera movement in the camera prompts section. Now let's check the settings. I'm setting the video format to MP4, duration to 5 seconds, frame rate to 24 frames per second, and resolution to 768p. Then I click Generate to start the conversion process. After a short wait, the video is ready. The camera motion, lighting, and depth of field all look natural and cinematic. Veer has done a great job with image to video, and by repeating this process, you can get even better results over time. Let's try one more example of animating a character image using Veer AI. I click Upload your image and select the picture of the girl I created earlier with text to image. I click on the small light bulb icon in the basic image prompts section. Veer automatically analyzes the image and writes a full description of it. We can also add our own animation idea to customize the motion. In the camera prompt section, I add a smooth, cinematic circular movement for the camera. Using the same settings as before, I click Generate, and a few seconds later, the animation is ready. The character's face comes to life with a warm, joyful expression. The motion looks smooth and expressive. Veer's character animation feature works great, and you can repeat this process to get even more refined results. Now I want to animate the image of the Egyptian pyramids that we created earlier using text to image. First, I upload the image. This time, I'm not clicking the light bulb icon. Instead, I'm writing my own custom prompt to animate the clouds. I'm also adding a cinematic camera movement in the camera prompts section. Using the same settings as before, I click Generate, and a few seconds later, the animation is ready. The soft motion of the clouds and the golden glow of the sunset over the Pyramids of Giza turn a still image into a stunning cinematic video brought to life through the image to video feature. What do you think about the image to video feature in Veer? And finally, if this Veer tutorial was helpful for you, now's the time to hit that like button. Your small support really helps me create more tutorials like this with even more energy. Trust me, the next one is going to blow your mind. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss what's coming next. AI is the future, embrace it right now.